Hi guys, Kevin A.I here, and I want to do a Monday morning update for Results with Kevin A.I. It has been another hectic weekend with loads of updates added and loads of improvements. So I'm going to cover three important parts in this video. This is for absolutely everyone, so definitely please watch it. So today's biggest update, I suppose, is the new AI prompts. We've added over 600 AI prompts for product creation, social media, and lead generation, and they are just broken down into, for example, 20 different categories. Inside tabs where you can simply open and close and just choose exactly which one you want. For example, this is the social media management AI prompts. If you're interested in content schedule, audience growth, whatever it may be, just choose that and you're given 10 prompts for that particular one. Now, these prompts can be used inside any of the softwares that we've created. These are obviously specifically trained softwares. I have tested many of these prompts. For example, if we want to do a prompt in product creation, I would always use the product creation AI coach. We've tested the prompts for ChatGPT, Sonnet, Claude, etc. And we've always found, for me, I'm getting the best answers from our highly trained bots here. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you're inside a niche and we create future AI prompts, sometimes one of these bots might provide a better answer. But considering we are the marketing experts and these are highly trained, we do recommend use these as well. So you have social media management, lead generation, and product creation. Now, just to give you an idea or a quick example for the product creation ones, you've got everything from audience, product naming, templates, monetization, upsells, downsells, add-ons. I know this has been a popular one. So for example, suggest 5 logical upsells that complements a core product for in this specific niche. So for example, in this case, I'm just going to use this and just show you one of the powerful things that you're getting access to all the latest AI bots and my bots as well. So I'm just going to do a live example of this, and I'm going to type in the question into our trained bots and all the other ones as well. Now, every answer is going to be different, and part of this video is kind of just to show you how it works in that way. So we'll start it with Gemini 2.0 Flash. Suggest 5 logical upsells that complement AI training product for the newbie marketers. So just edit it any way you want for whatever type of product. So that is Gemini 2.0. So we're just going to leave these run and you can see exactly how long it takes and how it works. So it's coming out with AI marketing toolkits, personal AI strategy, consultant calls, advanced training, community support, AI powered dashboard. Very good in that sense. Now we're going to ask Claude 3.0 Sonnet the exact same question. What I've done for all of these here, okay, I can brainstorm it to give me suggestions, tell me more about the training program. We can just say video training program. I'll explain the difference between these 3 bots in a second. And here we go. Templates and prompt library, very good. Personalized coaching, AI advanced tools, case studies and real world examples, community forum and access. Pretty good again. And now we've got ChatGPT 4. Personalized coaching, software, exclusive workshops, certification program, community membership. So you can get ideas from them all. Again, I'm hoping and expecting this to be the best and most logical response for me. But let's see. Okay, excellent. Advanced AI course. We've got the pricing included, done for you AI templates, monthly marketing membership, $19.95, one-on-one coaching service, AI bundle toolkit. Would you like to explore these upsells and need more details? So that's just a quick example, a quick point, guys. You can just explore and test all of these different ones without having to pay hundreds of dollars every single month for them. This is exactly why you could say I'm spending most of my time these days inside Results with Kevin A.I. So that is just an example. As I said, you've got over 200 prompts here on product creation alone, 200 on social media, 200 plus on lead generation, with more prompts added all the time. Right, the next thing I just want to explain here with with the strengths and the case uses for these. With ChatGPT, it's known for conventional abilities in generating human-like text, which is suited for writing content, drafting email scripts, and its strong language and understanding generation capabilities. Ideal for needs flexible tools that adapt to various writing styles and tones. Where Claude would focus more on safety alignment and adheres to specific guidelines and ethical standards. And you've got my favorite, being honest, is Gemini 2.0 Flash, because a lot of these modules are actually hooked up to that and then increased with my training as well. And we're definitely getting the best results from this. It focuses on speed and efficiency, advantages for generating content quickly, time-sensitive projects. We like to move fast, email campaigns and video sales letters. So I just want to explain the difference between all of them. Again, my favorite are the top ones. So that is update number 1, guys. Update number 2, a live webinar training is happening next Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. It's going to be absolutely cool, so definitely be on board. I'm going to be sending emails out about that as well. Lastly, guys, I want to give you guys a fair warning. Anyone that's logged in at the Corner membership site will continue to have access to all these tools and all these training and all these prompts, all the live training and everything like that at the low price of $19.95 per month. In the coming weeks, we have 100% no choice but to increase the price and put on 3 different levels. So I'll have a basic level for $19.95, and then we're going to have more advanced level for $29.95, and then another level for $49.95. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about jumping on board and just locking yourself in at a super low price. Now is definitely the time. People are, obviously, the way these are connected, every time someone uses a chatbot, it costs me money, and people are absolutely hammered them day and night, which is absolutely perfect. So any questions, guys, let me know. But if you're not on board yet, definitely consider it. And I look forward to seeing everyone on the live webinar on Wednesday. Cheers.